Hey guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. This is part 2 of the little order that I made the other days, and hopefully I can test this one. This is the Fifine Ampli-Game A60 USB microphone kit for streaming, podcasting and video recording. It says here it's a plug and play quick start. It has a functions key and convenient use. We'll see about that now. Let's open it up and see if we can do something with it. You have a little manual. Shows you pictures on how to install it, what is good, what is not good, how you can pivot the phone. Now, this here is the star of the show. It's the mic itself. The reason I chose this microphone is because I heard the siren, the AZ something siren, and I really like that microphone. It's the smaller one from the Razer, yeah, the Razer, the small mic from Razer. I heard that one on someone's podcast, and I really liked it. It has a very warm thing to it. This is the pop filter with the smiley face on it, and I digged a little deeper into the matter, and I found out that this mic here is almost half the price. No, not half the price, but yeah, about 25% less, and it has more or less the same features, but it has the same warm tone that I was looking for. So that is why I ended up buying this mic. Okay, this is the arm that you will fix the mic to. Okay, let's see how this thing goes together. Okay, so this one elongates. Okay, and then it should pivot, and place the mic to the distance that you need it to be. So the lower part should go in here, because real men don't need no instructions, right? Oh boy. Trying to be careful not to scratch up the desk in the meantime. Okay, so you have to wiggle it a little bit as you are putting the stand in. And with this knob, you can fix it in place with this little knob here. Okay, let's see if we can fix it to the table for now. Space. Okay, it's fixed to the table. Comes down. You're supposed to be able to pivot without destroying the table. So my advice is to put something between this and the table, and also this one has a little bit of padding, but you have to put something here as well, otherwise it will poke holes. I'm gonna use this. Yeah, it's not. I designed my table in such a way that it's not ideal for this type of mic, but maybe here in the corner. Let's bite in. And have a little bit of bite. Should set something like that. Let's see what it does when we put the mic on. Loosen this up a little bit. Whoa. Too much. Oh boy. Man, how many pieces are there? So, now you see that there are more than one. So there are interlocking teeth here in play. All the way through. Come on. Way. Yeah, but let me check here something. Yeah. So this one should go there. Because if you look at it, you'll see that there's a hex screw. This one is round. And that's where the problem was. Okay, so the flat one goes where the teeth are, and the little shiny one goes in the back. Okay, sorry about that. That's a fail. Goes in the back where you have the little hex screw indentation. So yeah, clearly my table is way too shiny for this thing, and even if I do manage to clamp it properly to the table, well, this should work actually with the phone because it has a USB-C. Yeah, that goes into the mic and then it should go into the... But I have USB-C to USB-C, so I should be able to put it directly in the phone. That's... Hi, precious. Wait for that down. Okay, so I'm back with the USB-C to USB-C cable. Let's see if we can do something with this. Okay. And I'll be back after I mess around with the phone. Okay, so I'm back. I finally managed to somehow clamp it. I didn't clamp it directly to the table, I clamped it to this thing, which is fairly heavy, and it keeps it in place. I am keeping myself more or less 7 inch away from the microphone and speaking into it. The microphone should be a little bit down and tilted backwards according to the diagrams that they give you. So here I am, I'm testing it. This is the new sound that you can hear with this mic. I hope it's nice. I don't know, I don't hear it yet. I'm gonna have to listen to it myself with headsets. So yeah, we have the little lights. That's a little bonus that the Razer doesn't have. But it's, for me, it's not a big deal. For me, what's important is what it does. It's how it sounds. So yeah. From what I see here, this one can also use USB adapters and dongles that are not included. I mean, there's a lot of people. I mean, a lot of people using phones. I'm using my phone right now. I'm always use the phone. Almost. In the beginning, I used a little Kodak camera. It's a little point and shoot thing that I used. That's what I had on hand. Right now, I deliberately took a phone with a high-end camera to be able to do this thing for you guys and for me as well. So yeah, let me know in the comments below what you think, how it sounds, if it sounds better with or without the mic. And even though I said that this is part 2 in the beginning, it will actually be part 1 because I will cut it and upload it as soon as I can. And only tomorrow I will get around to be able to use the Holy Land and see what the Holy Land can do. So that's it for now. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to keep the internet alive, and come see me on the next one. Thanks, and bye bye.